Namaskar friends, welcome to another informative video. Today we will explore the vibrant city of Coimbatore, also known as Kovai, a jewel located in the southern part of India's Tamil Nadu state. This city is a unique blend of tradition and modernity, with a rich cultural heritage and a thriving industrial landscape. Known as the Manchester of South India, Coimbatore is an economic powerhouse, driving innovation and development in various sectors. But Coimbatore is not just about industry. It's a place where history, education, and nature converge harmoniously. With its pleasant climate, lush greenery, and iconic landmarks, Coimbatore has something for everyone. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the essence of Coimbatore, exploring its culture, industries, cuisine, and natural beauty. It will be a fascinating and informative video, so watch the entire video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel Books and Brain, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative updates in the future, so that it will motivate our brains to bring out more quality content to you. Dear friends, let's begin. Coimbatore is one of the major metropolitan cities in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is located on the banks of the Noyal River and surrounded by the Western Ghats. It is the second largest city in Tamil Nadu, after Chennai in terms of population, and the 16th largest urban agglomeration in India as per the 2011 census. Coimbatore city, also popularly known as Kovai by the local people, is also referred to as the Manchester of South India. Located at the foothills of the Western Ghats, this bustling metropolis enjoys a picturesque location, surrounded by lush greenery and rolling hills. Its strategic location makes it a gateway to various hill stations like Ooty, Valpari, and Kotagiri, making it a popular starting point for nature enthusiasts. Coimbatore's proximity to the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve also adds to its natural charm, offering opportunities for wildlife exploration and ecotourism. Coimbatore has earned a reputation as a prominent educational hub in South India, with a diverse range of educational institutions. As of 2010, the district is home to 7 universities, 78 engineering colleges, 3 medical colleges, 2 dental colleges, 35 polytechnics and 150 arts and science colleges. The city houses 3 government-run universities and 4 private universities, attracting students from across the country and globally. The city houses the headquarters of the renowned multi-campus, multidisciplinary private-deemed university, Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeeth. It also houses government research institutes including the Central Institute for Cotton Research, Sugarcane Breeding Research Institute, Institute of Forest Genetics and Tree Breeding, Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, and Tamil Nadu Institute of Urban Studies. With a conducive learning environment, state-of-the-art facilities, and a strong emphasis on academic excellence, Coimbatore continues to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of countless students and contributing to the knowledge landscape of India. Agriculture in Coimbatore is a vital component of the region's economy, with the fertile soil and favorable climate making it a prime agricultural area in Tamil Nadu. The region is renowned for the cultivation of a variety of crops, including cotton, coconut, banana, and various types of millet, which contribute significantly to the state's agricultural production. The city's agricultural practices are deeply rooted in tradition, with many farmers still employing age-old methods alongside modern innovations. The city also serves as a hub for agricultural research and development, with institutions and organizations dedicated to improving crop productivity and sustainability. A major hub for the manufacturing, education and healthcare in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore is among the fastest growing Tier 2 cities in India. It houses more than 25,000 small, medium and large-scale industries. The city is one of the largest exporters of jewelry, wet grinders, poultry and auto components. The Coimbatore wet grinder and the Kovai Kora cotton are recognized as geographical indications by the Government of India. Being a hub of the textile industry in South India, the city is sometimes referred to as the Manchester of South India. It is home to numerous industrial clusters and business parks. Coimbatore's textile industry is renowned for producing high-quality fabrics and garments, contributing significantly to the city's economy and exports. The city also plays a pivotal role in the IT and ITES sectors, with a growing presence of IT companies and business process outsourcing firms. In fact, Coimbatore is the second largest producer of software in the state, next to the capital Chennai. Coimbatore is also referred to as the Pump City, as it supplies nearly 50% of India's requirements for motors and pumps. Coimbatore is a major center for the manufacture of automotive components in India, with car manufacturers like Maruti and Tata Motors sourcing up to 30% of their automotive components from the city. It has a large number of poultry farms and is a major producer of chicken eggs. The city contributes to nearly 95% of processed chicken meat exports. Coimbatore's thriving trade and commerce, coupled with its diverse economic landscape, make it a hub of opportunities, attracting both domestic and international investments, and contributing to its status as one of India's fastest growing cities. Coimbatore's culture is a harmonious blend of traditional Tamil heritage and a cosmopolitan outlook, making it a unique cultural melting pot in South India. The city celebrates its rich cultural traditions through various festivals, including Pongal, Diwali, and Tamil New Year, where rituals, music, and dance are an integral part of the festivities. Classical arts such as Bharatanatyam and Carnatic music thrive in Coimbatore, with numerous cultural academies and events dedicated to preserving and promoting these traditional art forms. Coimbatore also embraces modernity, with its growing interest in contemporary music, dance, and theatre, creating a dynamic cultural landscape that caters to all tastes. The warm hospitality and strong community bonds among the people of Coimbatore further reflect the city's vibrant culture, making it a welcoming and enriching place for residents and visitors alike. Coimbatore is a flourishing tourist destination, offering a delightful blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern attractions. Nature enthusiasts can explore the scenic Western Ghats, with destinations like Valpari and the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve offering lush forests, waterfalls, and diverse wildlife. The world-famous Adiyogi Shiva statue is the world's biggest bust statue dedicated to the celebrated Hindu deity, Lord Shiva. It is carved out of 500 tons of steel, and is located at a distance of 30 kilometers from the city center. Coimbatore is also a gateway to popular hill stations like Ooty, Kunur, and Kotagiri, known for their pleasant weather and scenic landscapes. Marudhamalai Murugan Temple, Perur Patishwara Temple, Kovai Kondattam, Monkey Falls, VOC Park and Zoo, GD Naidu Museum are some of the popular other tourist destinations. Coimbatore cuisine is predominantly South Indian, with rice as its base. Most local restaurants still retain their rural flavor, with many restaurants serving food over a banana leaf. Eating on a banana leaf is an old custom, and imparts a unique flavor to the food, and is considered healthy. Idli, dosa, paniyaram and appam are popular dishes here. Must-try dishes include curry dosai, a spicy dosa with a flavorful meat filling, Enganan biryani, a local variation of biryani, and Thengai sadam, coconut rice, all showcasing the region's diverse culinary offerings. Coimbatore is also known for its delectable sweets and snacks, including muruku, savory fried snack, kolhukatai, steamed rice dumplings, and elu urundai, sesame seed balls. Whether you are a fan of spicy curries, flavorful chutneys, or sweet treats, Coimbator's cuisine promises a delightful gastronomic journey for food enthusiasts. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed and gained more info about this beautiful city. If you liked our efforts, kindly hit the like button. Friends, more importantly, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos in the future. Please visit our channel Books and Brain and watch all other videos as well. We are here to educate you and bring out quality and informative videos to you. Share such informative videos with your friends and family. If you have any queries or suggestions, reach out to us through the mail. Our email ID is provided in the description too. Take care, see you in the next video. Jai Hind.